Today I will show you how to create a liquid text effect. Go to sample colors and choose 3 of them. My main color will be gradient 2, so let's add it on the timeline. And extend it so you see it better. Make sure to lock it. The bottom color will be blue, so add it on the timeline, click on it and drag it down. For now we will leave it here. And the last one will be gradient. Place that on top. Make sure you see all 3 of them, and now it's time to create the wave effect. So go to effects, search for water, and that is on top of all the colors. As you can see, now you get the wave effect. To adjust it, click on the effect and you can change it around. I usually load this to 0.40 and press OK. After you do that, lock the effect. Next you have create a title. So go to sample colors again, move away to drop the black one on the timeline. Then go to titles again and add a default on top of the black photo. Click on it and go to advanced. Let's type something and also change another font. I usually go with impact. I will change the size to 180. After that, press OK. Now take a snapshot of the text and remove it from the timeline. Then go to back to the effect. Let's change the layer size. So go to manage tracks, adjust track height and make them small. Now add the snapshot on top of everything. Click on it, go to compositoring and change the blend mode to darken. Now you can see through it. After that you press OK. The only thing that we can move is these 2 colors close to finishing. First I will add and go to animation, scroll down and you will see the move to slide and adjust the keyframe. You can see how that looks. Then go to add the gradient, slide up, place it the keyframe. Press OK and let's see how it looks. For more tips and tricks, make sure to watch this other video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.